Yo guys, so before I show you the setup, just a quick background. I've basically been building a full automation system for agency under my brand called 99 to AI. So welcome to this video if you're just coming across this your first time. And this is a sell funnel. Before I sell you anything, just hear me out. I have something to sell you, but just hear me out as we go through along the presentation. Okay. Um, So who we are basically, we are 99 to AI, automation for hustlers, growth-minded business. We plug AI plus automation into your services or business to scale fast. Okay, that is what we are. So if you are entrepreneur or if you are a small business owner, this is something that is going to be working for you as it's working for me already in my business. So it's just something that I believe you're going to be need as well in your business. So just hear me out. Just this is just a little bit background of who we are. We basically automate your business to scale your business fast. Okay, and what you will see in this video today here, you will see who the offer is for, the offer details, and why this offer works, and the next step that you will have from there after watching this video from the start to the end. Before you skip, just hear me out because there is going to be some interesting for you in this video by end of this presentation. So just hear me out, okay? um and this offer is basically for estate agency owners, coaches, consultants, or any service business owner. So if you're a state agency or a coach or a consultant or any service business, like example, if you have a service that is you are offering to your client, this offer is for you. Do not skip the video, just hear the video all the way to the end because there is something very very important for you. Okay. um so you have nothing to hold back in this video because manual follow-ups in your business, having no clear funnels on your business, and leads slipping through, and you're wasting too much time replying to DMs manually or anything like that, that is taking a lot of time from you instead of focusing on your growth to scale and growth. So there is nothing that you'll have to hold back at this point because your competitors are already in this AI space. So you might as well just hear me out all the way to the end of this video and see if this offer is going to make sense for you. It's not anything to sell to you right now. It's just something that you need to hear me out. By end of the video, yes, we do have offer to sell to you, but only if it makes sense to you and in your business. Okay. And our promise and the outcome that you will get in this funnel here, what you will get is automated leads funnel, a chatbot and voice assistant as a voice agent in your business, and a multi-channel outreach. Okay. For you, that means equals to more client, less chasing, and less chaos. Because replying to DMs manually, a lot of clients might not have enough patience to actually wait for you to get back to them. you know and there is other competitors that are active on this AI space, so they can easily go to another competitor, and by the time that you reply to that client, they have already moved forward, as no one will wait for anyone when they need services from you. So that means for you, you need to be active, and be able to be active in that way, you need to have something automate in your business that can help you scale faster without actually doing any hard work. Okay. So the offer here is basically you'll have a full automation funnel built out for you, just for your branded, like we'll audit your business, actually understand your business and your services. We can automate that specific thing in your business. So what we'll do here, we'll craft and deploy a complete lead generation funnel that will be from landing page, captured form, nurture sequences, conversion path. And why this matters, because many businesses struggle there because of their funnel is incomplete or is manual, like replying to customers manually or having no clear funnel in businesses right now. Yes, you will grow, but you might be spending a lot of money on the things that you shouldn't. So having those little things automate in the business side of things, can scale your business really, really fast without actually having any pressure or stresses around those things. So, okay, the second offer that we have for you here is a chatbot and a voice agent integration. So what we'll do here, we'll install and configure a chatbot plus voice assistant that works in your client environment. That will be either your website, your phone. If you're an appointment setter, customer might be calling you for your phone. If you're a salon owner or anything like a barber, estate agents, you might be out there with another client for a viewing and someone else is interested in your service and they can contact me because you're so busy dealing with your other client. The next client that is trying to reach out to you for you to sell something more, but you couldn't answer the phone. Why? Because you are busy helping the other client, which is why having something there that can assist you and help you in that environment is very powerful. So things like voice agent, having that in that space can help you grow really fast, because they're not just a random voice agent that are just there. They will actually be doing the works that you needs to be doing. So they work faster than yourself. Imagine that. So, it's very important to have this kind of thing in your business. And the third offer here is a data and system integration and dashboard setup. So what we'll do here, we'll connect these tools into your existing CRM, your booking system, or your website inquiry. So if you have a website and you have a web form there, obviously customers will fill that form, send that to you. You might take days to get back to that customer, but having that automated, the moment customer fill the form and that is received in your inbox, you have an AI automated system there. Once that form is received, they will go through the form and actually do all the work for you instead of you replying to those forms manually anymore. So, which is something very, very powerful to have in your business. So that data will flow seamlessly in your business and will build you a dashboard so that you can track your clients. You know what that means for you. You'll know what is working and what's not working. In real time, you will see the response, the leads, and also the conversion rate, which is very important to know, because understanding where your leads are coming from can help you scale faster and or help you focus on where you actually getting those clients. So, it's very important to have these kind of things in place. Okay, how this work here, first thing we'll do, we'll need to audit your business and map automation. So understanding your business and the services that you offer is going to be our first step. If we know, okay, we cannot help you in your business, we have nothing to sell to you. So which is why understanding your business and the services that you offer is very critical in our agency. So we audit your business, and the second thing after auditing your business, if okay, that is something that we can help you with, which I believe we could, then we'll build and integrate this system into your business, as we're already using this system in our own agency. So having that understanding about your business, then we can actually build this system and integrate them into your business. After building the system, the last thing but not least, we will launch this and scale your business fast in a way that you want. We can do the hard work for you. All you gotta do now, focus on the things that matters to you, instead of actually doing all these things manually anymore. Okay, so from there, why it works. AI automation isn't optional anymore. Your competitors are already using this, and this is your chance to be ahead of your competitor. Because you might not be thinking about this AI space right now, but in 2, 3 years' time, you have no option because everything will transform into this AI space. So having this early age is going to be something that you will be ahead of a lot of your competitors. So, it's something that is definitely going to be working. You don't even have to think about that. Okay. And the result that we will deliver and the system proof here, as you can see here, this is one of the systems that we actually use in our own agency here. And this, from a contact web form on the website, everything will be done from A to Z without us actually doing the work ourselves. So for you, that means that if you are a state agency or a coach or a service owner, someone go to your website, they fill a contact form, that would work from the moment they fill the contact form, that will be added into your CRM. So from the CRM all the way to you getting a notification on your inbox about a specific customer's need, you don't have to do that manually anymore. So automated lead capture, routing, and nurturing built once, deployed many times, because there is a lot of other systems that are being built here. So this is just one of them. So building using top tier techs like example like Airtable, OpenAI, and other multi-channels is very powerful to have your business scale ahead. We are now onboarding clients where we'll customize and launch this kind of system in your business, but only in your business, something that is branded just for your business, not copy and paste. We need to audit your business first, understand what you offer and the service you offer, then we can build this system and implement in your business to help you scale. Okay, full client case studies are coming very soon. So with that being said, let's start implementing this in your business so you can become one of them. Okay, don't waste time, honestly. So investing, here you will have one-time fees or monthly support. Okay, we intentionally not looking for anything here yet. Okay, this is a placeholder to help you think in terms of investment versus return, so ROI. Once we gone through your business, we'll bring the real pricing discussion into the picture according to the best practice. You want to present value and outcome before dropping final prices, so that build fit clarity and trust. So at this point here, we're just helping you to think in terms of investment. We're not offering anything here yet until we actually understand your business needs. Okay, so if you're ready to scale, that is all you have to do. Either scroll down to the end of this page here or click on this blue item here and get a call with me. You have a completely free strategy call that you can go through with myself before we move into any other part of the building side of thing. So that is all you have to do. You have no option at this point, honestly, because think about it, like, businesses are actually transforming. Life is transforming, everything is transforming into the AI space. So you being 1% ahead of your competitor can help you scale faster than you actually think. So having this little boring stuff automate in your system, in your business, which is costing you a lot of time to deal with, and it's costing you to lose a lot of clients as well, because end of the day, you taking 1 hour or 2 hour to reply to a client, that client might move to another, you know service provider that is in the same industry like you. So it's only your chance to actually think around this kind of thing and how it can help you. So we don't have nothing too much to say here. Like I said, that is all you have to do. Scroll down or hit the blue link at the top of this page here and get a free strategy call with myself, so we can move on from there. So that is all for you here. Thank you for your time. If you watch this video all the way to the end, it means a lot. And if you have any question, do not hesitate. You can always contact me by filling a contact form on the website regarding any question you might have around this offer that we have for you here. So thank you, and hope to see you on the other side.